table of contents is a list of the document's chapters, sections, or topic with their corresponding page numbers in a particular document. It acts as a roadmap, providing an organized view of the particular document structure that you are working on. It could be a project or a report or any kind of document as the case may be. I'm going to show you a simple way on how to insert table of contents in your Microsoft Word. To get started, you need to have the particular document you wish to actually work on. Take for instance this particular one that I have here that starts with this introduction. You can see this is a heading. This is another heading which is a subheading. If you scroll down, you still see other headings. Okay, you can still see this one and the rest of them. And so in order for us to do that, you just follow this simple step. First, highlight this particular one. Come over to here where we have heading 1. Click on it. Now this one, since it is under this introduction, you just need to select it and come over to this place, then select heading 2. Now if you scroll down, you will still observe other things. Let me push this down. This very one is under the first heading, so we are going to select heading 2. This particular one, we are going to select heading 2. In this one, still heading 2. And if you come here, you see we have this particular one, so we are going to select heading 1 for this one. If you come here, this is heading 2. Now if you scroll down, you can see that this one has 2.1.1. so this very one now we are going to have it as heading 3. So as the case may be, if you still have other ones like 2.1.1.1 and the rest, that one will now be heading 4. So you just follow it in that order. Now having done this, you just come up to the space where you actually want that table of content to be. You can just write, let's say, table of contents. You can see what I have here. Now having done that, all you just need to do is to come over to this references tab. Once you come over to this references tab, you see table of contents. Now under this very place, you can see options for you to select. You can always or usually select the first heading, which is this automatic table 1. I just click on this. You can see with this, I have inserted the table of contents for this particular document. And if you look at the page numbers, you discover that they all correspond to the particular place or the particular page each of these subheadings are. So that's a way to do it. Another thing I will show you also in this is how to update your table of content. Let's take for instance that you pushed this down, this particular one down. You notice that this is page 2. Okay, now based on this, now this should start with page 3. All you just need to do is to just come up here. You can see it will ask you what is updating the table of contents. Select one of the following options. Update page numbers. So we want to update the page numbers. And remember, all these things are done automatically. So all we just need to do is to select these page numbers and click OK. You can see that this has automatically updated this here. So this is a simple way to add table of contents to that particular work, that project or report that you wish to do. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question regarding this, you can drop it for me in the comment section and I will do well to get back to you. And don't forget to please subscribe to this channel so that you get notified when I make other videos in this channel. Thank you.